In a distant corner of the galaxy, there was a small blue planet called Earth. To the powerful alien empires, Earth looked insignificant. Its technology was primitive. Its military was weak. The Galactic Council had already judged humanity. To them, humans were nothing more than a fragile, primitive species. And so, the aliens laughed. They laughed at humanity. But they didn't know one thing. Humans were not the strongest species in the galaxy, but they were the most dangerous. For thousands of years, the galaxy was ruled by powerful alien civilizations. The Zarvok Empire controlled hundreds of star systems with their massive war fleets. The Krell Dominion possessed weapons capable of destroying entire planets, and the Vafari Collective had intelligence far beyond any known species. Together they formed the Galactic Council, the rulers of the known universe. One day, their long-range scanners detected a new civilization, a young species, from a small blue planet, Earth. When they studied humanity, they were unimpressed. Humans fought wars with each other. Their technology was inconsistent. Their planet was divided into hundreds of nations. To the aliens, humans were chaotic, emotional, and weak. So the Council made a simple decision. Humanity was not a threat. Years later, the Zarvok Empire sent a small fleet to Earth, not to negotiate, but to conquer. Massive alien warships appeared above Earth's atmosphere. Cities across the planet watched in fear as the sky filled with enormous metallic ships. The aliens sent a single message to humanity. Your species is primitive. Your planet now belongs to the Zarvok Empire. Surrender, or be destroyed. The aliens expected humanity to panic. They expected surrender. But humans did something unexpected. Instead of surrendering, they prepared to fight. Across the planet, nations that once fought each other came together. Scientists, engineers, and soldiers worked day and night. Humanity had one advantage the aliens underestimated: adaptability. Within months, humans reverse-engineered alien technology. They built new weapons. They upgraded their spacecraft. They developed strategies the aliens had never seen before. When the Zarvok fleet attacked Earth, they expected an easy victory. Instead, they faced something terrifying: human resistance. Human fighter ships swarmed the alien fleet like a storm. Missiles struck the massive warships from every direction. And the humans, they refused to retreat.
The galaxy was shocked. A primitive species was fighting back against one of the most powerful empires. But humans didn't stop defending Earth. They did something even more unexpected. They took the fight to the stars. Human fleets traveled beyond their solar system for the first time. They attacked Zarvok supply lines. They destroyed enemy bases. They adapted to every new strategy. The aliens had never seen anything like it. Most species feared death. But humans kept fighting, even when they were outnumbered. Even when victory seemed impossible. Years later, the war reached its final battle. The largest alien fleet ever assembled arrived near Earth. Hundreds of warships, enough power to destroy the planet completely. The Galactic Council believed this would be the end of humanity. But when the battle began, human fleets appeared from every direction. Thousands of ships, new weapons, new technology. Humanity had grown stronger during the war. One by one, alien warships began to fall. And for the first time in history, the aliens felt fear. Billions of years, hundreds of civilizations, thousands of star systems. The galaxy had seen many species rise and fall. But there was one species the aliens never took seriously. A small, chaotic civilization from a blue planet called Earth. Humans. To the powerful empires of the galaxy, humanity was nothing special. Their planet was divided. Their technology was primitive, and their species was emotional and unpredictable. So when the alien empires discovered Earth, they laughed. But what happened next changed the history of the entire galaxy forever. For thousands of years, three major empires ruled the galaxy. The Zarvok Empire controlled the strongest war fleets ever built. The Krell Dominion possessed weapons capable of destroying entire planets in seconds. And the Vafari Collective had intelligence so advanced they could predict enemy strategies before battles even began. These civilizations had conquered hundreds of species. To them, war had become routine. Victory was guaranteed. But everything changed when their deep space scanners detected a new civilization. A young species, barely capable of interplanetary travel. Humans, alien observers, began studying Earth from orbit. What they saw confused them. Humans were strange. They fought wars with each other constantly. They argued, disagreed, and competed. Yet at the same time, they created art, music, science, technology. The aliens couldn't understand it. How could such a chaotic species survive? Many council members believed humanity would destroy itself before ever becoming a galactic power. So the council made a decision. They would ignore Earth. But not everyone agreed with the council. The Zarvok Empire believed something different. They believed humanity could become dangerous in the future, and the best way to deal with a potential threat was to eliminate it early. So they sent a fleet, not a full invasion force, just enough ships to force humanity into submission. After all, how could a primitive species possibly resist a galactic empire? When the alien fleet appeared above Earth, panic spread across the world. Satellites detected massive objects entering orbit. Cities watched the sky fill with enormous metallic ships. Then a message arrived. A message broadcast to every device on Earth. Humans, your planet now belongs to the Zarvok Empire. Surrender immediately. For a moment, the entire planet was silent. Then something incredible happened. Instead of surrendering, humanity united. Countries that once hated each other began sharing technology. Scientists worked together. Engineers designed new weapons, and soldiers prepared for a war humanity never expected. The Zarvok fleet expected an easy victory. They expected humans to panic and surrender. Instead, human fighters launched from hidden bases around the planet. Missiles filled the sky. Defensive satellites activated. Alien warships were suddenly under attack from every direction. The battle shocked the aliens. Humans were not supposed to fight like this. They were not supposed to adapt so quickly. Yet somehow, they did. The war didn't end quickly. Instead, it forced humanity to evolve. Human scientists studied alien technology. They reverse-engineered engines, shields, and weapons. Within a few years, human ships became faster, stronger, more dangerous. And the most terrifying part? Humans never stopped improving. Every battle made them smarter. Every loss made them stronger. The alien empires slowly realized something terrifying. They had made a mistake. A very big mistake. Across the galaxy, other civilizations began hearing stories. Stories about a strange species. A species that refused to surrender. A species that kept fighting even when defeat seemed certain. Some aliens began to respect humanity. Others began to fear them, because they understood something the Zarvok Empire didn't realize at first. Humans were not dangerous because of their technology. They were dangerous because of their spirit. And that spirit was impossible to destroy. If you like my video, so click on subscribe button, please.